Have you ever tried to rest and realized you don't actually know how? Your body stops, but your mind keeps moving. Thoughts keep coming. Guilt shows up. Rest doesn't feel restful, not because something is wrong with you, but because rest is no longer a simple act. It's shaped by habits, expectations, and a constantly stimulated mind. There isn't just one reason for this. There are patterns that quietly trained us to feel this way. Let's break them down. 1. We were taught that value comes from being productive. From early on, doing something is praised. Resting isn't. Being busy looks responsible. Being tired looks committed. Doing nothing looks lazy. So without realizing it, your brain connects worth with output. If you're not producing, you feel like you're falling behind, even when your body needs a pause. 2. Rest is treated like a reward, not a requirement. We're told to rest after we finish everything. After work, after studying, after being productive enough. But the enough never comes, so rest becomes conditional, something you have to earn. That's why resting early feels wrong, and resting without exhaustion feels undeserved. 3. A stimulated mind finds stillness uncomfortable. Your brain is used to constant input, noise, scrolling, messages, background sound. So when everything slows down, your mind doesn't feel calm. It feels empty. Not because rest is wrong, but because your brain forgot how to be idle. Silence feels unfamiliar. Stillness feels unsettling. 4. Rest guilt is a form of hidden burnout. When rest feels stressful, it's often a sign you've been running on depletion for too long. You're not energized enough to enjoy rest and not rested enough to work well, so you stay stuck in between, tired but unable to stop. That's not laziness, that's exhaustion without recovery. 5. Rest doesn't waste time, it restores your ability to feel time. Without rest, days blur together. Tasks get done, but nothing feels meaningful. Rest creates contrast. It gives your mind space to process, to feel, to reset. Without it, productivity continues, but clarity disappears. Rest isn't the opposite of progress. It's what allows progress to feel real. You don't rest because you're done. You rest because you're human. And time isn't wasted when it's used to return to yourself.